Import a black background into Capcut. Go to Text and add your text. Choose your desired font. So here's how it looks. Highlight the last part of the texts. Select Glow and choose the second one. Set intensity to 30 and range to 60. Now let's add our animation. Select Expand and increase the duration to the maximum. Export the video. Go back and change text. Repeat the same steps we made earlier. Import your main video and overlay the 2 text video we just saved. Delete the parts where the video begins to zoom out and also the ending parts. Move the 2 texts to the beginning. Let's see how it looks. You can adjust the text to make it better. Go to Blend and select Lighten for the 2 text videos. Go to Mask, select Horizontal and rotate it -90 degrees. Drag the feathering tool to get a shadow of the text. Move the mask tool to the beginning and add a keyframe. Move to the middle and drag back the mask tool to the end. Do the same for the second text video. Finally, go to Animation and add Fade In and Fade Out animation for 0.3 seconds. So here's the final results. Thanks for watching and much love I got for you. Peace.